People living in big cities need to stand or walk for a long time because of work. When they buy shoes, usually they only look at the style and rarely consider the shoe's healthy elements. As time goes by, problems such as muscle fatigue, heel pain, hallux valgus, callus, and plantar fasciitis are commonly seen. What causes hallux valgus, callus, and plantar fasciitis? Prolonged wearing of pointed shoes or high-heel shoes can easily cause deformation of big toe. The big toe extrudes outward and a bunion is formed. At the same time, toes rubbing one another results in corn and causes pain. Besides, if it is necessary to stand or walk for a long time at work, the forefeet suffer from pressure and rubbing for extended period, which can easily cause callus. If the callus is too thick, it will become painful. At the same time, soft tissues such as plantar fascia may be overstretched. Over a long period, it will cause fatigue and lead to possibility of having foot arch pain and heel pain. In severe cases, it can even cause plantar fasciitis. Usually the plantar is most painful after getting up in the morning. What kinds of shoes can reduce foot problems? Dr. Kong Healthy Shoes can help you. Healthy insole has unique design which includes metatarsal pad, foot arch support, and heel cradle, made with high shock absorbent and elastic material. It helps to relieve foot pain. Foot arch support, support foot arch, and reduce overstretch of plantar fascia. Relieves foot arch and heel pain. Metatarsal pad. It shifts pressure from forefeet to the rear and reduce excessive pressure at forefeet. It relieves forefeet pain and meningitis callus. Heel cradle design. Redistribute pressure evenly along heel and reduce possibility of heel pain. In addition, insoles are made with high shock absorbent and elastic material, which increases comfort. Shoes with enough room in toe box. It can reduce the possibility of crushed toes and hallux valgus. Summing up the above features, it can increase contact area with plantar and redistribute pressure evenly, which effectively relieves foot pain and plantar fasciitis.